I'm going to do fresh strawberry cake. So for that, the things that I need, we will go through slowly. So we will see quickly how we are going to make the strawberry cake. To make the strawberry cake, first I put 125 grams of sugar, 125 grams of butter. You know, when we put the butter straight from the fridge, and don't keep it for a long time, straight from the fridge. Now I am going to beat it. While I am beating, I will add the egg, one at a time. Yolk and the white together, one at the time. 2 eggs will be 125 grams. Now what we are going to do is, we will add the flour into the sifter and you sift the flour. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. We need a pinch of salt. All that I have put in, we are sifting it together. Mix it well. Beat it well in the same direction. Reduce the speed slowly. And the mixture is ready now for me. Now what are we going to do? Now I need strawberry essence. Along with that, if you like, you can use a little vanilla essence just to give the flavor. Beating is over, so we don't have to beat again, and mix it nicely. Strawberry. I have just chopped the strawberries. Now we have mixed the strawberries, which I have just cut into large pieces. Strawberry essence, vanilla essence, strawberries, and a little bit of cashew nuts also. That's about a little bit, in the sense it's about 60 grams you use. Only a piece, bottom you line with oil paper, butter it nicely and put the mixture. Put milk or any other ingredient into this. This itself will make it softer and juicy. So we don't need any other ingredients with this cake mixture. Now we are going to bake this for 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Because the tray is 6.5 inch tray. 6.5 inch tray, if I take 125 grams of all ingredients, will be 500 grams, and it will be baked for 45 minutes, right? Bake and take it. We will see how it's going to be when you do the icing. Now we will bake this. My delicious cake is ready. Now we will do a bit of icing. So to make the icing, that is also icing, homemade whipping icing. So we will see how it is done. I need about 2 egg whites. Only the egg whites, no yolks, only the egg whites. Beat it nicely. We have to check whether it is well beaten. Yes, it should be well beaten. Once it's well beaten, I am going to add the sugar. Before I start adding the sugar, I need a small gelatine mixture also. See, 1 teaspoon of gelatine I have taken. I'll put into the pan. 2 tablespoons of water. Boil it. Dissolved. Right, gelatin is ready for us. Now I am going to add the gelatin. I will add the gelatin first. we add the sugar little by little. Nicely we have whipped it and it's made well, so that this mixture it's like whipping cream now. Now what I am going to do is putting a little vanilla essence. We will use a little strawberry essence also. Mix it well. We use whipping cream. It is like whipping cream that I have already made, so that it's much easier to spread it on this. This goes very well. See how it comes. Homemade cream we have poured it over and allow it to set for a while, and with a little bit of whipping cream I am going to decorate, or only with the stiffly beaten egg whites and sugar like a meringue also you can decorate. Both ways you can do. So I am doing with the whipping cream. We can have all these strawberries which I have all done. Strawberries can go as a decoration, plus to serve with, it's really nice. Right, my cake is ready. Strawberry cake with the decoration. So you can enjoy preparing this, so that you will know how these type of cakes will look. This delicious cake, I hope you will try it out, because it's so nice and so tasty and it's so lovely. I am sure you will try out and let me know how you feel about all my dishes, all the preparation that I do. You should give me a feedback. Thank you, and thank you once again. Bye from me now.